How to get unbanned from Grindr. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be covering a topic that many of you might find helpful. How to get unbanned from Grindr. Let's dive in. First, open the Grindr application on your device. To start troubleshooting, tap and hold the Grindr app icon until you see the app info option. Tap on app info, then proceed to storage and cache and clear both the cache and storage. This step helps you eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the issue. Next, open your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar type Grindr and locate the app. If there is an update available, make sure to install it. An outdated version could be contributing to the ban. After updating the app, try logging back into your Grindr account. Check if the ban issue is resolved. If you're still experiencing problems, moving on to the next step might help. So, sometimes using a VPN can help you bypass restrictions. Go back to your Play Store or App Store, search for a VPN app, download and install your preferred VPN service, and once installed, open the VPN app and connect to a server. With the VPN active, attempt to access your Grindr account again, and this can sometimes help if the ban was linked to your IP address or location. That's it. Those are the steps to try and get unbanned from Grindr. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.